Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss current affairs of February 2022 month. This is extremely important for your CMAT 2022 exam. If you want PDF of this session, then you can join our Telegram group. I will put the link in description. So the first question is the 16-year-old prodigy chess player from India who defeated Magnus Carlsen. So the answer is R. Pragnananda. International Olympic Committee session for 2023 will be held in which city? So the answer is Mumbai. Who won World Games Athlete of the Year Award 2021? So the answer is PR Srijes. He is a goalkeeper of Indian hockey team. Winter Olympics Game 2022 were held in. So it was held in Beijing, China. 2026 Winter Olympics will be held in. So this will be held in Milan, Italy. The only Indian to participate in Winter Olympics 2022. So the answer is Arif Khan, alpine skiing. ICC Under 19 World Cup 2022 was held in. So this was held in West Indies. Which team won ICC Under 19 World Cup 2022? So India won this cup. World's longest highway tunnel above 10,000 feet. So the answer is Atal Tunnel. It is in Leh Manali highway. A statue of equality is built in which city? So the answer is Hyderabad. A statue of equality is dedicated to whom? So the answer is Ramanuj Vaisnavite Guru. Second tallest sitting statue in the world. So this is again a statue of equality which is dedicated to Vaisnavite Guru Ramanuj. National Land Monetization Corporation NLMC is set up with objective to. So what is the objective to set up this institution, National Land Monetization Corporation? So the objective is to monetize the land and other non-core assets of the government, or CPSUs. PSUs are also included in this. The name of mission launched by GOI to evacuate Indians from Ukraine. So there is a war going on in Russia, Ukraine, right? So government of India launched a Operation Ganga to evacuate Indians from Ukraine. India's rank in Democracy Index of EIU. So this is Economic Intelligence Unit. So India's rank was 46th. So who was the first rank? So Norway. India's rank in International Intellectual Property Index 2022. So India's rank was 43rd. First rank. So USA got the first rank in this. Famous singer Lata Mangeshkar, who died recently, was awarded Bharat Ratna in year. So she was awarded Bharat Ratna in 2001. And Dada Saheb Phalke Award in which year? So 1990. The chairman of Bajaj Group who died recently, Rahul Bajaj. The first country to adopt India's UPI payment system. So this is Nepal. Who became the longest reigning monarch of a sovereign state? So this is Queen Elizabeth II of UK. Which country has banned on the import of drones? So India has banned this. The Indian documentary nominated for Oscar Awards 2022. So that is Writing with Fire. Digital Sky Platform is an initiative of which ministry? So this is Ministry of Civil Aviation. World's largest plane which was recently destroyed in Russia-Ukraine war. So this is AN-225 Miria or Antonov 225. The amount per year given in PM Kisan Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme. So that is 6,000 per year. Please remember, it is not per month. And it was started in 2019. Recently re-elected Prime Minister of Portugal. So that is Antonio Costa. World's first plant-derived COVID vaccine. So this is Covifenge. First country to authorize plant-derived COVID vaccine. So Covifenge was authorized first by which country? So that is Canada. A Spitak Guster festival is celebrated in which place? So that it is in Leh Ladakh. RAMP program is dedicated for. So this is dedicated for productivity in MSME sector. RAMP full form is. So this is Raising and Accelerating MSME Performance. Which state performed worst in India Press Freedom Report 2021 released by Rights and Risk Analysis Group? So Jammu Kashmir. So the highest number of attacks on reporters were happening in Jammu and Kashmir. So that's why I have used the term performed worst. The largest steel producer country as of March 2022. So this is China. Masada fortress in which country? So this is in Israel. What are conversion or switch operation? So these operations means buying back security by GOI from RBI. In budget, there has been push for chemical-free natural farming. It will start with which river? So this will start with Ganga river. Punora Dham is in, so this is in Bihar. Which country won Asia Cup 2022 women's hockey? So Japan. What was the India's position in this cup? So India got third position. India, INDEA, Indian Digital Economic Ecosystem Architecture 2.0 was released by, so this was released by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. What was the objective of this? So the objective was to design IT architecture for better integrated services. The theme or slogan of World Cancer Day 2022. So first thing is the World Cancer Day is observed on 4th February each year. So this year's theme or slogan was Close the Care Gap. Which mission was launched by NASA to monitor space weather? So this is Hermes. What is the full form of Hermes? So this is Heliophysics Environmental and Radiation Measurement Experiment Suite. A Spikevax, a COVID vaccine, is by which pharma company though? So this is by Moderna. The Economic Survey 2021-2022 has predicted GDP growth for 2022-2023. This is 8 to 8.5%. ISSTR International Space Station Transition Report was released by, so this was released by NASA. Sergio Mattarella, president of which country? So he was re-elected in Italy. An online portal focused on skill development through which you can acquire skills, reskill or upskill. So that is DESH, Digital Ecosystem for Skill and Livelihood Stack. UAE has announced which tax recently? So they have announced federal corporate tax. Total number of trees are still undiscovered as per latest study. So that is 90-200. CSG-2 satellite launched by SpaceX is funded by which country? So this is by Italy. United for Dignity is dedicated towards the patients of which disease? So this is for leprosy affected patients. Which site has been nominated from India for World Heritage Site list for the year 2022-2023? So these are sacred ensembles of Hoysala temples. The sacred ensembles of Hoysala temples are in which state? So these are in Karnataka. Konkars M missiles will be manufactured by, so these will be manufactured by Bharat Dynamics Limited. Indian Army has signed a contract with them. Indian National Women's Day is celebrated on, so this is celebrated on 30th February. Which country is recently recognized by US as major non-NATO ally? So that is Qatar. CLAP program's objective. So this is a program by Andhra Pradesh. So that is clean rural areas and improve sanitation condition. So if you see the full form of this, so this is Clean Up Andhra Pradesh. CPEC, a multi-billion-dollar project, connects. So this connects Xinjiang province in China and Gwadar is a port in Pakistan. Waste to Wealth mission's objective is, so this is a mission. So its objective is to identify, develop and deploy technologies to treat waste to generate energy, recycle materials and extract resources of value. So basically if you have waste products and if you want to convert it to some reusable products, right, like recycling, and so that you can generate energy or you can recycle for reuse. So all those will be covered in this policy, Waste to Wealth missions. So this is quite evident from name also, right? From waste you want to create wealth. Swachhta Sarthi Fellowship 2022 is announced by, so this is announced by Office of the Principal Scientific Advisor. The objective of Parvatmala scheme, so this the objective of this scheme is through transportation in hilly areas. World's largest sea loch, so this is Izumidin Sea Loch in Netherlands. 2 new addition to Ramsar sites from India. So these are Khichadiya Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat and Bakhira Wildlife Sanctuary in UP. Earth Trojans are, so Earth Trojans are those asteroids that share the same orbit as that of Earth. 2 Earth Trojans that were in the news recently. So these are 2010 TK7 and 2020 XL5. A new species of flatworm which is named after COVID pandemic. So this is Humbertium covidum. CBSE new chairman, so Bineet Joshi. Craft map by which state? So recently Manipur has released a craft map. National Science Day is observed on, so this is observed on 20th February. The theme for National Science Day 2022. So the theme is integrated approach in S&T, science and technology for sustainable future. Alternate minimum tax on cooperative societies. So this is 15%. New chairman of UGC, so that is Professor M. Jagdesh Kumar. So he was an ex-VC of JNU. Chairman of Tata Sons, so that is N. Chandrasekaran. SEBI new chairperson, so the new chairperson is the first woman chairperson. This is Madhvi Puri book. Author of the book How to Prevent the Next Pandemic. So this is authored by Bill Gates and it will be released in May. Dada Saheb Phalke 2022 Film of the Year. So Film of the Year award goes to Pushpa the Rise. Dada Saheb Phalke Best Film Award. So this was awarded to Shershah. Best Actor Award, that is Ranveer Singh for 83. Best Actress Award Kriti Sanon for Mimi. 2028 Olympic Games will be held in, so this will be held in Los Angeles. A History of Sri Niketan book is authored by, so this is authored by Uma Das Gupta. The Founders book, so this can be asked in your innovation and entrepreneurship also. So the Founders book is written by Jimmy Soni. So this is mainly on PayPal founders, but they have discussed some other founders also. Player of the series in Under 19 World Cup 2022. So that is Dewald Brevis of South Africa. AFC Women's Asian Cup India 2022 football was won by, so this was won by China. Country with highest number of medals in Winter Olympics 2022. So that is Norway. India's biggest trading partner in year 2021. So that is US. So US overtook China. First IIT outside India will be opened in, so this will be opened in UAE. G20 summit in 2023 will be held in, so this will be held in India. The portal for disabled, which helps them acquire skills and find jobs. So this is a Swaraj Ability. ACT, Access to COVID-19 Tools Accelerator, is an initiative of, so this is an initiative of G20. New name of Tata Sky, so they have renamed themselves, so that is Tata Play. Newly inaugurated biodiversity park in Himachal Pradesh. So this is in Mandi and this is the first biodiversity park in Himachal Pradesh. First biodiversity park in India. So which was the first biodiversity park in India? So see, this was not the first biodiversity park in India. So this was the first in Himachal Pradesh. First was in Nainital, which is also known as Bharat Vatika. Nainital in Uttarakhand. Maru Mahotsav is celebrated in which place? So it is celebrated in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. First country to play 1000 ODI matches, so that would be India. The first FMCG company from India to achieve neutral plastic waste, so that would be Dabur India. Captain of Indian Under 19 World Cup 2022, so that would be Yash Dhul. The loan for bullet train high speed rail was given by, so this was given by Japan. NASP National Air Sports Policy was unveiled by, so this is an initiative of Ministry of Civil Aviation. Which country has devised AI algorithms to identify habitable planets? So India has devised some AI algorithms. The first multilateral agency to open an office in Gift City, so that would be New Development Bank. Repo rate, so this is 4%. Majhi Basundhara, which is a translation of My Earth, it is in Maharashtra. Bal Swaraj portal is associated with, so this is associated with National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. FinTech Open Month was organized by, so this was organized by Niti Aayog. Okay, so we have discussed I think more than 100 questions and most of the important questions I have covered. Okay, similarly we will discuss for other months also. So next I would be releasing a video for Jan 2022 and then we will go backwards to December 2021. I will try to go to at least March 2021. Last year exam was I think 31st March, right? So If we do at least till March, or you can say yeah, March, this should be sufficient. Okay, so you can subscribe our channel. There will be more videos on CMAT. Thank you.